It is start.
A very cheerful morning to all of you. I am Lucky from class 12D here with the news highlights of the month. India celebrated its 76th Independence Day recently with 75 great years in the journey. On the occasion, PM Narendra Modi addressed the nation and introduced Panch Pran as to move forward with rigorous resolves and resolve for a developed India. अर्थात एक विकसित भारत के लिए बड़े संकल्प और संकल्प के साथ आगे बढ़ना, टू इरेज ऑल ट्रेसेस ऑफ सर्विट्यूड अर्थात गुलामी के सभी निशानों को मिटाना, बी प्राउड ऑफ अवर लेगेसी हमारी विरासत पर गर्व करना, स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ यूनिटी एकता की ताकत, ड्यूटीज ऑफ सिटीजन नागरिकों के कर्तव्य. He also described nepotism and corruption as major challenges to nation building. हर घर तिरंगा, आत्मनिर्भर भारत and new education policy are also the main highlights of this speech. A good news is coming from the fields of football. As earlier, the All India Football Federation was suspended by the apex body of sport FIFA. The AIFF, now unbanned by FIFA on 25 August, ended the threats to hold the rights to organize Under 17 Women World Cup in India. On this special occasion of 75 years of Independence Day, ISRO launched SSLV rocket with a small satellite Azadi Sat that was built by 750 girl students from 75 schools across India. The satellite was launched on 7th August from the Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. This is a first of its kind space mission with an all-women concept, as this year the UN theme is Women in Space. Unfortunately, it got into the wrong orbit and the mission was unsuccessful, but it was indeed a great attempt. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
शुभ प्रभात. मैं इरम वादी डाकी छात्रा. आज का सुविचार. व्यक्ति का व्यक्तित्व उसकी सोच से निर्मित होता है. उसकी सोच एवं उसके विचार जितने उत्कृष्ट होंगे वह उतना ही महान होगा. That is, the Mahatma Gandhi said, I quote, "A man is but a product of his thoughts. What he thinks, he becomes." This can be described as the personality of a person is showcase of his thoughts. Hence, a person's persona is culmination of his thought. Thank you. Have a nice day.
A very fresh and pleasant good morning to all of you. I am Bhumika from 12th D with today's word. The word is scintillate. I repeat, scintillate. Spelling SCINTILLATE. Scintillate. It is an intransitive verb which means to emit flashes of light, sparkle and shine. Synonyms are brilliant, skillful and sparkling. Antonyms are boring, dull and unskilled. Example number 1, my friend has a very scintillating sense of humor. Example number 2, oh my god, what a scintillating shot hit by Sachin Tendulkar. Thank you, have a good day. A very fresh good morning to all of you. I am Shikha of class 12D. Recently, Commonwealth Game of 2022 took place that were a harbinger of joy to India. I am here to present some interesting facts regarding these games. The Commonwealth is a political association of 56 member states, the vast majority of which are the former territory of the British Empire. The chief institution of the organization are Commonwealth Secretariat, which focus on intergovernmental aspect, and Commonwealth Foundation, which focus on non-governmental relation among the member states. It was formed in 1931 and its headquarters is located in London. Commonwealth Games are held one and every 4 years. This year, India won a total of 61 medals, which includes 21 gold, 16 silver and 23 bronze. 12 medals were won by wrestlers that contributed most to the list. India secured 4th position in term of gold medal and 5th position in all over term. Thank you. Have a nice day.
गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू. आई एम अमरीन फ्रॉम 12th D. आप सभी को इतिहास बहुत ही कंफ्यूजिंग लगता होगा, लेकिन अगर मैं आपको इतिहास समझने का एक आसान तरीका बताऊं तो हम अपने पूरे इतिहास को, यानी कौन सा युग कब आया और कौन सा साम्राज्य कब समाप्त हुआ और उन्होंने कहाँ राज किया आदि को बड़ी आसानी से डेज नेम यानी संडे, मंडे, ट्यूसडे के साथ समझ सकते हैं। अगर हम संडे को हड़प्पा मान लें तो मंडे को हड़प्पा का अंत एवं आर्य भारत की शुरुआत हुई। ट्यूसडे को वैदिक परंपरा महाजनपद आए। वेंसडे को आता है बुद्ध का काल, वर्तमान महावीर का काल, अलेक्जेंडर एम्पायर, मौर्यन एम्पायर। थर्सडे को आते हैं सातवाहनास, गुप्ता एम्पायर, वाकाटक एम्पायर, कुशानाज एम्पायर, जिन्होंने उत्तर मध्य भारत में राज किया। फ्राइडे को आते हैं चोलास, चेरास, पांड्यास, पल्लवास, जिन्होंने दक्षिण भारत में राज किया, एवं सेन और पाल्स, जिन्होंने पूर्वी भारत में शासन किया। अब आते हैं सैटरडे को आती है दिल्ली सल्तनत, बहामनी सल्तनत, मुगल एम्पायर, मराठा एम्पायर, विजयनगर एम्पायर, ब्रिटिश एम्पायर, and then republic. है ना amazing? The source is Devdutt Patnaik. You can follow him on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.